Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% affiliate commissions have recently come in with OLSP System. The box on the right hand side shows my current commissions at $352.50, and the blue box underneath says that now 498 members have been paid commissions in the last 24 hours. So it's not just converting for me, other members within OLSP System are also having success. So more importantly in this video, I want to show you how there's several products within this system, but this one is called Megalink. And Megalink is where you promote one link and you can earn up to 7 passive income streams. It's a complete 100% done for you system. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you step by step how it works. This gentleman here is the owner and creator of OLSP System, Wayne Crowe. The link in the description will give you access to this video here, where you can come and meet Wayne. He's done a 10-minute video here explaining exactly how he wants to help you become successful online and the products that he's created to enable you to do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you inside the members area for some commissions, some proof of multiple income streams, and then I'll show you how the system works step by step. So I'll go into commission and go right back to, just going to blur out the members information here for privacy. And if I go back to my first page here, you'll see I started on December the 6th. So this is the column here when I started, and my first commission was for Megalink. This is 100% commission at $7. Now the great thing about this system is there's no monthly membership costs. So if you're on a limited budget or a tight budget and you're looking to get into profit and stay in profit, then there's some great free traffic training in the members area that will help you do that. So let's go on to the next page and show you a lot more of the different products. So you'll see a lot of Megalinks here. Megalinks, $7, 100% commissions. And then you'll also see a couple of Mega Messengers on here. It's a one-time special offer for members. For you, that will be a $10.80 commission, but this is going to be a monthly recurring commission if the member pays the monthly membership payment for Mega Messenger. Another Mega Messenger in here. Then we'll go on to another page and you'll see this another product here called List Building and Magic Link. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those on this page, and they're 100% $7 commission. So you can see it all starts to add up. And when you're not paying a monthly membership cost, then the potential to get into profit is there. So let's go on to another page. Let's go back here to the very beginning. This one here, Traffic Rotator Monthly at $9.40. That's a monthly recurring commission. There's another Mega Messenger here at $5.40. So that's the monthly recurring commission from the ones that I showed you. And you've got Mega Links, List Building. These ones at 25 cents all add up. That's where you get a product with the Mega Link, where you can comment within the OLSP Facebook group and earn commissions just for commenting. So it's a great way just to build up your $7 and get your Megalink paid for. So let's just go back here into the dashboard again. And what I want to show you now is I want to show you where this system really excels, not just with the products that are of superb value and high converting, but you'll see here there's free trainings, there's live trainings, and there's replays. So this one here is a replay of how one member earned $14,000 without any work. So that's an upgraded member, but again, they're just showing you how this can be done. And then when you come down here, so when you first join, I recommend that you watch these two free trainings here by Wayne Crowe, the owner. He's showing you how we made 10 million in commissions. Free training here, and also the 100 commission hack, another free training here. So these trainings, I think, really are just worth the $7 that you pay for your mega link. And then I'll just come over here now. I want to show you step by step how this system works. There's nothing hard. There's nothing technical about it. So if you are brand new, then it's really a great way to get a done for you system, 100% done for you system, where you don't have to pay any monthly membership cost for autoresponders. You don't have to create any lead capture pages or anything like that. This is a training that Wayne personally does when you get your mega link. And what's really important here is a couple of things. You'll see that he's drawn a line down here. I'll just go over it here with my red line. Now, what's really important here is, and what's great for every member of this OLSP system, is that everything over to the left here with Megalink is all you've got to be concerned with. All you've got to do is one thing, and Wayne will explain it in the training in the members area, but all you've got to do, you've only got to focus on one thing, and that is how to learn and generate traffic. Now, you have to do that with any affiliate offer that you join, and he's going to teach you how to drive traffic to your mega link. So the mega link, you get your link in the top right hand corner here. You'll get your own mega link here. And then what the mega link is, it's a lead capture page like this. So you'll get your own lead capture page. You'd have to create this. It's already done for you. And then what happens is when you promote your mega link, your prospects come to this page. They put their email address into there. They click on get instant access, and then they get taken into this 100% done for you system on the right hand side of this line. Everything over here, this system cost Wayne $250,000. So it's like a funnel. It's like a done for you funnel, all 100% done for you. So the way the system works is you learn traffic, which is going to teach you. So he's got training within the members area, he's got replays, and he's got weekly live trainings and questions and answers. And then when you learn your traffic training, you promote your lead capture page that he gives you. Your prospects opt in. And then what Wayne and his team do for you is they send out emails on autopilot. So you don't have to pay for a monthly autoresponder. You don't have to create any subject lines. You don't have to create any email copy. And within those emails is your affiliate link. He's promoting you. He's helping you make affiliate commissions. Now, he's got a range of his own products here. He's created his own products. So what he does within these emails, he's promoting, in these emails, he's promoting his products for you. Now, these are low ticket products, the medium ticket products, with your affiliate links in. There's some monthly recurring products, and then there's some higher ticket products. You're not creating anything. You're paying your one time $7. You haven't got any monthly membership costs, and this is 100% done for you. All you've got to do is one thing: learn traffic and start promoting. And then what happens is if anybody buys any of those products, that's when you start to earn the commissions. So when I showed you my $350 at the beginning, that's all I've done. I just promoted, I just sent traffic to my lead capture page. That's all I've done. And then when anybody buys, these emails will go out for life to your customers. They're cooking. He spent $250,000. He's got 32 staff working for him. And it's a very, very clever system. Now, it gets even better because a lot of people, when they start affiliate marketing, are on their own. And with OLSP System, you're never on your own. If you need my help, I'll mentor you one-to-one. My email address will be in the description. But he's got a Facebook group here. Now, this Facebook group has got 143,000 members. So you can, Wayne himself is very active in the Facebook group. So you can ask questions, you can get support, training. Thousands of members here that are here to help you succeed. And you've got a lot of people making the first dollar online, showing proof in here. And you've got a lot of people getting into profit. And that's the hardest thing with affiliate marketing. It's not just making your first dollar, but it's getting into profit and staying in profit. And that's what Wayne wants to teach you. So that's how the system works. I'm going to put an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other OLSP system members, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP system and promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing a new video every single day. I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP system, put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you, but I recommend you click the link in the description and you get access and come and meet Wayne Crowe. Because this gentleman here, if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for somebody to help you succeed in making money online with OLSP system, then he's really doing a fantastic job. Not just beginners, but intermediates, advanced, all different levels. Skill levels of affiliate marketers he's helping succeed. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.